In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to add apps to Windows 11 desktop. Now, without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So first of all, you need to navigate at the search box and please type for the application that you would like to add to your desktop. So let's say for example, in my case, I would like to add the Chrome application to my desktop. Navigate to the search box, search for it, and then you need to proceed to the best matched, and at the right side, click on this down arrow key to expand or reveal other option and locate for open file location. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you'd be navigated to the location where your application or where your selected program has been placed to. The next step that you need to do is you need to select it, then make a right click, and then click on this copy icon. Once done, close the window, navigate here at the desktop, make a right click, and click on paste. Once you have pasted it, there you have that. You have just successfully create or add your app shortcut here at the desktop. Okay. Another way that you can do is that you can simply navigate at day start, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see there at the upper right side, all, click on that one. And here you need to locate for the application that you would like to add to the desktop. Okay. So just have to locate it. Once you find it, let's say for example, in my case, I want to add Xbox. All you need to do is you need to make a left click, okay? And then you need to drag your application to the desktop, okay? So try again if it's already being closed, okay? So just have to open it again, navigate to all, and then you need to find your application, then select it. Then you need to proceed it here. Okay, so let's try again. Sorry for this. So there you have that. You have just successfully add your app shortcut here at the desktop. Just make a left click and drag your cursor to the desktop. In that way, you'd be able to add or create such. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.